Hello, my name is Joachim de Vos. I'm a professor of the University of Ghent and already more than 30 years working with hundreds of companies in our projects Living Tomorrow and the company Tomorrow Lab, where we try to invent the future, not predict the future, because that's impossible. Even more important is that I was a few months ago together with you on the Strategic Innovation Plus event in Riyadh and in Cairo, where we as leaders were thinking together about how can we tackle the future uncertainties that are coming towards us? How can we do that? How can we make our company future-proof? I'm also the author of the book Why Innovation Fails and the 7 Keys to Success. Maybe you remember that. But there I did some research towards the biggest struggles that companies have making themselves future-proof. So that's a world that is completely changing with robots, with autonomous cars, with autonomous systems, with drone deliveries. So every company needs to think about what's my purpose for tomorrow? How do I need to reinvent my company, my organization to thrive in these cities of tomorrow? In my book, I unveiled, and also during the presentation, that there are 7 keys to success. And now, during a 2-day workshop, we're really going to dive into detail into 2 keys. First key is my organization future fit? What do you know about your organization today? And the second very important key is how to look towards the future. How can you make a kind of dynamic strategic plan based on future foresight, based on scenario planning? Not theory models, but really practicing this together. So the first day, we will look at current times. We will look at our own organization, how to build a SWOT, how to build the business model. Are we aware about the business model? What about future changes that are coming to us? How will it impact us as we see it today? And also the fears, the uncertainties that we face. The second day, we will go from today towards the future. And the future, of course, needs not only a strategy, but also a vision for tomorrow. And therefore, we're going to use these scenario planning methodologies during the 2-day workshop. So during the second day, we focus especially towards the future of our organization. What are drivers? What are uncertainties? How to build a scenario plan? And we're really going to build it in practice all together during this workshop, where I will be attending in Riyadh and in Cairo together with you. It's a methodology by the University of Oxford, and it's also this methodology that I'm going to focus on. And we will build 4 types of scenarios that really give us the opportunity to stress test the things that we're going to do for tomorrow. So I hope I see you there during these workshops. Thank you.